Grab a coffee. Today we're going to talk about crochet notation. Taking the American version, what stitches do we have? We've got single crochet, we've got double crochet, and we've got treble crochet. Do we have these in Britain, in the UK? Of course we do. Do we call them the same thing? Of course we don't. Just to confuse you, the American single crochet in Britain we call double crochet. The American double crochet we call treble crochet. And the American treble crochet we call double treble crochet. Confusing, isn't it? Why does this matter? Well, this matters because even though we form these stitches in the same way, a single loop on the hook, we pull up a loop and pull it through too, those are formed the same way, just as these are formed the same way. But you need to know on your pattern whether you're using UK or USA notation. Well, if you don't know where your pattern's from or what the notation is, if you see something that says double crochet, are you using the UK double crochet or are you using the USA double crochet? I'll explain why. Each of these stitches has a certain height. Let's just call that units. Single crochet is 1 unit high, double crochet is 2 units high, treble crochet is 3 units high. If you've got a pattern that says double crochet, which one are you using? Because if you assume you're using the UK notation, your stitch will be only 1 unit high. But if it turns out the pattern was actually American notation, it should have been 2 units high. Therefore, you'll make your item far too small. And it goes the other way too. So, in a nutshell, that's why it's important. You can have your coffee now.